Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Exotics on Elegance 2026 Summer Edition. It's going to be an absolutely insane event. We got supercars rolling in right now, so we're going to check in on every single car that rolls in. Hopefully we're able to capture all the content for you guys. If you're enjoying, be sure that y'all hit that like button. And yeah, let's just watch all these crazy cars that roll in, get parked up, and then it's going to be an absolutely insane event. Alrighty boys, so we've been flying our drone for quite a while, and there is quite a few people that have actually showed up. For it being a Thursday, I didn't expect many people to show up, but there is a bunch of people walking around. There's a lot of cars that are here, some super incredible ones that I did not expect to see. Just like this Lamborghini Aventador LP700. Looks so good in this yellow color right here. We got a Huracan right here, a super duper clean Porsche. We got this other Huracan over here that looks like it's running on some bead locks, which honestly makes me think that it might be a twin turbo. Let's check it out real quick. Yep, sure enough, has some turbos in the back. They're also painted the same color as the car, which looks super duper good. Wonder how much power this thing's making. Over here on this side, we have a super clean Porsche Targa, I believe this is. Another Porsche, and then an 812. This thing looks super duper good in black. Then we have a 296. And over here we have Joel's MC20. This car looks super duper good. We have a green Huracan. I really like this green color. I think it's the same green that might be on a Revuelto. That's a little more down the block, but we also have a C8 ZR1. This thing looks super duper good. I believe it's the ZR1X that we saw at the last 10 event. Looks so good with the red seats. And then we also have a blue Ferrari Roma right next to it. Also, we got a McLaren 750S that looks super duper good with this yellow color. And we also have a blue McLaren 765 LT. I really like the orange seat belts that it has in the interior. Looks super good. And then these carbon bucket seats as well look absolutely insane. Just check that out. Absolute race car on the road, and then it has the giant LT wing in the back. Man, I really like the Skittles colors that McLaren comes out with. I feel like McLaren does it best with their colors, at least. There are a lot of other companies that can be competing with them, but I feel like the McLarens just really have it on top. And then over here on this side, we have a super duper clean Mustang GTD. I really like this baby blue color. I've seen another yellow GTD out in Houston and back to Austin, but this blue one looks absolutely insane. Carbon fiber in the center as well. Has some super duper nice, I think they're like rotiform wheels. And then right next to it, we have the Ferrari SF90 that we saw last weekend at the same hotel where a lot of the attendees were staying at, but it's wrapped up in the Gumball 3000 Miami to Mexico livery. Looks absolutely insane and running on some super duper clean wheels. Right next to it, we have a white Lamborghini Huracan, and next to that, we have another Gumball attendee. This is a Gumball 3000 Porsche GT3. Looks super duper good in my opinion. And then right here we have a GTC4 Lusso with the V12, but this one it was well, it's pretty much painted by, I think, a really famous artist. Looks super duper good. The way that the whole paint splatters all the way around the car looks so insane. And then right next to that, we have a Porsche GT4 RS that looks absolutely insane. Yo, there is no way. Check it out. We got my boy Kyle with his McLaren 650S. This car looks absolutely insane, but check out what he just got done to it. These are some super duper insane accents in my opinion. I feel like the orange just ties in this car so well. Has the white wheels, paint matched calipers from the car. Golly, this thing looks absolutely insane. Carbon fiber right here on the sides. Golly, dude, this thing looks so insane. Valvetronic exhaust, I believe this is still. Yeah, you can barely tell, but it still is a Valvetronic exhaust.
He's cool as fuck. I love that guy.
And then right here we have a Lamborghini Huracan in a really nice teal blue. It honestly reminds me of the wrap that my friend MT Paradise has. Looks super similar, has some really nice bronze wheels on it. Right over here we have a Formula 1 or Formula 2 car. Golly, I wish that the sun wasn't blocking a lot of that view, but looks so good in my opinion right here, sitting front and center. And right here we have a beautiful McLaren 765 LT. I don't know if y'all can see the color of it, but it's actually a really dark green color. Has these super duper nice bronze wheels, orange calipers, carbon fiber mirrors. But check out that interior. It's like a coffee interior. Looks so insane. Coffee Alcantara. Carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Man, this car looks so good. We also have a McLaren this is a McLaren 750S. I was just telling Alan that this thing looks so insane, but the way that you could tell with a 750S, usually for me at least, is you come up around the front and you can see that the updated bumper is right there. This car has some yellow interior. Golly, I wish 10 events did not have music blasting like this. We have a super duper clean Aston right here. Unique paint color on it as well. And then we have a super duper nice Lamborghini Revuelto. This is the same color that I was telling y'all that might be on the Huracan. That's a little more down the block over there. We also have a Huracan Technica right here. Lamborghini. Oh my lord. Super duper clean Sterrato. And this Oro's like matte finish looks so insane. I really like the way that those fenders look. Super off-road looking Lamborghini right there. What do you think about it? Sterrato looks so good. Then we have a super duper clean Gumball 3000 Lamborghini Gallardo right here. So what I was saying earlier is that a lot of these stickers actually leave like a little bit of an imprint. So if you leave it on your car, just be careful because it can leave like a residue or just some imprints from that whole sticker that's right there. So yeah, just be careful with the heat that gets on the cars. But I really like the way that this Spider looks. The only thing that's bad about it is the interior. The interior looks like it's wearing a lot more than the exterior, but it's a super duper nice paint color. Yeah, y'all let me know what you think of this paint color. It looks super duper beautiful. This right here is one of our friend Devin's cars. So I think he sold his Porsche Turbo S. That car was super insane, but it's time to get an upgrade, and he just bought himself a super decked out Ferrari 296. He's gonna get these wheels, I think, powder coated. I think he should probably get some different wheels just so that it can look a little bit different, but it's still gonna look really good with some black wheels. Right here we got my friend Jim's Artura. I don't know if I showed y'all his Huracan Avio edition, but it's right there sitting in the front of all these cars. And then right here we have an authentic Ferrari 458 Speciale. We do have a friend that has a body kit on this car, but this one actually is a authentic Ferrari Speciale. I really like these seats though. The seats look like they might be the comfort seats. They look so insane though. I wonder why he has that fire extinguisher over there. Do these cars have like a fire problem or what? Oh my goodness, but check this out. The carbon fiber paddles with the tricolore on the sides look so good. And then right here we also have a super duper clean Ferrari 296. Looks really similar to my friend Devin's over there, just different wheels. I like his spec a lot more though. It looks so clean. These I think have the carbon bucket seats though. Check that out, super duper nice. And then right here we have my friend Max with his LP, or I think this is an Aventador S with a body kit of an Aventador SV, but looks super duper crazy. It sounds insane. Apparently it makes 900 horsepower, so y'all let me know what you think about that. Oh, I didn't know she had the car.
I didn't know she drove it.
Okay, so before a lot of the cars actually end up leaving, I haven't showed a few of them. So here's a Lamborghini Gallardo, really clean Porsche, another really clean, I think this is like a Targa Porsche. And then over here is a super duper clean classic Camaro Z28. This car sounded insane when he was coming in. Hopefully later on we're able to hear this thing again. On the other side we got a super duper clean C8 Corvette. We got my friend Ferrari. We got Hella Bad right here. We got Mo Vantage, or no, I think this is Armand with his red V8 Vantage. Looks super good. We got a McLaren 600 LT that looks super duper good. Man, these cars are absolutely insane out here. They look so good under all the stores and under all the trees. Here we got a super duper clean Aston Lamborghini Gallardo right here. Another great Aston that looks super clean. And then the 5.0 Lamborghini Gallardo. So this thing, it has a super duper high pitched sound, think he does have an aftermarket exhaust that sounds really, really good. Right here we have a super duper clean Lamborghini Huracan. So this is one of our friends that actually has, I think, a new rental shop that's coming. And then we have a super duper clean Lamborghini, Audi R8 right here, Spider. We got the Bach mono and the gold accents, looking super clean. Oh yeah. Super duper clean 600 LT. So right now we're able to hear from my friend Ferrari for the first time in a very long time. So he was out in Vietnam for I want to say like 6 months. So we hadn't heard that car in a very long time, and I've been missing that sound. It just pretty much cuts through the air. It reminds me a lot of the SVJ sounds, but I feel like these might be even louder. So y'all let me know down below in the comment section, are the C8 Z06s louder than the SVJs, or do y'all think those V12s still overpower them? So much torque, it twisted the chassis. Bro.
That's literally what I was thinking right now. Literally what I was thinking.
Hey bro, so much torque, it was twisting the chassis. That sounds really good.
You can't just have exotics.
Bro, they sound way better than any of the exotics.
That sounds. Let me hear.
Let me hear it, my friend. Be determined. That's amazing. That's amazing. Let me hear it. Let me hear it.
I saw you talking to people like 3 times when I was walking by.
Yeah.
At no point were you like free.
Nah, it's all good, all good. You can come interrupt at any time. It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you too, man. Happy to see you on the way out.
Don't rev
Yes,
it
sir.
too much. If you can rev a little bit, but don't too much. If you want to have these events again, we can't rev it too much, okay?
That's good.
Good amount.
Take care, brother.
Yeah, sorry guys.
It's all good. It's all good.
You know, the event.
What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. You know what I'm saying? We're here at Exotics and Elegance. Y'all saw the GTD. Y'all saw that 650. It was crazy. Make sure to go subscribe to Super Speeds ATX Exotics. You know what I'm saying?
Heck yeah, man.
Your boy Christian is out.
Yes, sir. Alrighty boys, just finished the Exotics on Elegance here at the Domain. It was a pretty epic event. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, be sure that y'all comment down below which one is y'all's favorite car. We're watching a few cars leaving right now. We got to fly our drone and we got to capture a whole bunch of content. So hopefully y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, be sure that y'all hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so that y'all don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Also, be sure that y'all check out the hats at shopsuperspeeds21.com. It's the Super Speeds V12 Addicts. If you're a fan of those V12s, be sure that y'all check out the hats, and I'll see you on the next one.